Today we're going to be installing the American Tonneau Company's hard folding trifold cover on this 2019 new body style Chevy 1500. Now this is going to be the same exact installation whether you have the Silverado 1500 new body style or the Sierra 1500 body style. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is take our cover assembly, we're going to put it on top of our bed rails, and then we're going to move it all the way to the front towards the cab. We also want to make sure that our storage clips are facing towards the cab as well. From there we can unclip the cover and then begin to fold it back. Once we get it all the way to the back, we're going to center it from side to side and front and back, and then we're going to carefully fold it back up towards the cab. Now we're going to go underneath and we have two cab side clamps, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. We're going to remove those from their storage position those underneath of our bed rails and thread them into place. Once they make contact, we're going to provide an additional 2 threads to make sure it's securely tightened. From there, we can fold the cover back towards the tailgate. Next, we're going to go underneath and we have 2 cab side clamps. Again, we're just going to position those underneath of our bed rails and then pull the lever down to make sure it's tight. The installation is that easy. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.